Defection rumor. Governor Diri don dismiss rumours say he wan defect to APC. Welcome, country people, to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channels, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, reports don dey come in, and the reports dey suggest say Governor Diri of Bayelsa State and Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State, the two PDP governors remaining for South, say they go soon defect to the All Progressives Congress APC. And depending on who they talk the story, e dey hard weight to the rumor. The last one now from the Senate President himself, Godswill Akpabio, during the ceremony to formally receive Governor Umo Eno of Akwa Ibom State into the All Progressives Congress. Report come say the Senate President make reference to the fact say Governor Diri and Governor Siminalayi Fubara, both of them go soon defect to the ruling All Progressives Congress. This story now come make people believe say true Diri go enter APC from the PDP. But the Bayelsa State Governor, he don dismiss the swirling rumors about his alleged defection to the All Progressives Congress. He talk say the speculation e come out from the recent remarks when the Minister of Works David Umahi make. E dey talk this talk for Sampo, Kolokoma, Opokuma local government area during a thank you visit by the lawmaker when they represent Southern Ijaw Federal Constituency, Rodney Ambalowe, and other stakeholders. Diri say he not dey disturbed by the reports.